Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will show you as an accountant how to get access to those who've granted you subscription access. So first of all, if we start on your QuickBooks, what we want to do is click on the Settings tab and Subscriptions and Billing. This will open up all of the subscriptions that you have access to. So the accountant billed subscriptions are the ones you already have access to and own, whilst the client-based subscriptions are the ones that you don't currently own. So if you click on this one, and what you'll see is if your client hasn't granted you access to the subscription, it will say no and permissions needed. However, if the client has requested the access, this will say yes. This yes box will only be granted a yes for 2 days from the point the client has offered you access. You do not receive an email, and so far I haven't found where a notification goes. So once your client tells you you have got access to my subscription, you need to come into this section immediately so you make sure you're within the 2 days. And then what you can do is go over to this actions section and click on the drop down arrow, and this transfer billing to me will no longer be grayed out, and instead you can click on that. What it will then say is you need to enter your bank details if you do not already have them connected. Otherwise, it will just ask for your CVV number for the back of the card where you have all the other accounts linked to. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along for more.